Happy Saturday, y'all. So, I just want to address a couple things, okay? Um, when I first learned about the Lexington Law class action settlement lawsuit, okay, I was like, okay, I used to be a customer of theirs. I did business with them. Let me look into this so I can get my coin on, okay? But as I'm trying to go through the process and get my coin on, I said, let me go ahead and share this knowledge that I have. Received with other people, because I'm sure just like me, other people are wanting to look into it as well and get that coin on as well. What my page is about is more than likely what I'm going through at that time. And I encourage and share with other people. That's just what I love to do. Mind you, my background is in, as far as my employment, I have several years of case management. My passion is to help the community. That's what I love to do. Okay, I just wanted to share that with y'all. Now, as far as the class action settlement, right? Um, there's been many people just like me who has moved since they've done business with Lexington Law or creditrepair.com. They've moved several times. Like me, I've moved several times to different states and things like that. Therefore, whatever address that they've had at the time that you used or done business with them, that's the address that they would send it to, okay? And even when I spoke to the administration department, the third party administrators, they stated, whatever address that you had at that time is the address that they would send it to. So therefore, if they have a previous address that you no longer live, then you're going to need to contact them to update your address, right? You're going to need to contact them so they can send it to the appropriate address that you have at the time, or you're not going to be able to get your check, okay? So you actually do have to call. If you have not received your check yet by the 6th, you are supposed to call, okay? That's how you communicate with them and let you know that you need an address update. Now, another thing is, there were some comments about people being able to go on to the website and go to the form where you update your address there. Okay, that's fine. I don't even think I knew anything about that. But at the same time, just like me, I'm the type of person, like, I want to talk to somebody over the phone. I want to talk to a live representative to confirm, because you also have to confirm if you're even getting a check, right? Because everyone's not going to be getting a check. And this is the information that I received from when I called. But I want to talk to a live agent. And there are also people, because I don't just think about myself, but I'm also thinking about other people. There are people who are not tech savvy. There are elderly people who are looking for this information and you might not have someone to help them at the time. So they might not be able to go on there and go into the contact, section, contact us section, and go to the form and be able to fill that out on their own. So the best thing that they can do is be able to call, or they may not know how to email, or it might just be your preference to speak to a live person rather than emailing and going through all of that. So no, if me being passionate about what I love to do, which is to share with the community, and have that passion for serving the community. And if I got some information, I'm going to share it. There are so many people who have given me feedback on them either, just excited that they got their checks, which they probably didn't need my help, but it just came to them, right? But that's because they had an address that they are still currently affiliated with at the time. But there are also so many people who have stated that, my videos have helped them and they were able to, get all the information that they needed. I know how it is, right? There are some people who are working full-time jobs to where they can't gather the information. I know how it is to have several things on your to-do list to where you cannot get to all of them, right? 24 hours feel like it go just like that. So we can't, get through everything on our to-do list within that day. So I decided, while I'm going through this, let me go ahead and get the information, and I can go ahead and share it with y'all, kick y'all that knowledge. Do you hear me? So if me going to go get the information is being extra, then it is what it is, because I love it and I love what I do, and I love sharing with the community. I love serving the community, and if I have some information that I can give to you, then that's what I'm going to do. Like I stated before, a lot of people are saying you don't have to call them, but if you did not receive your check, or if you don't receive your check by the 6th, you are supposed to call them. Okay, and it's your preference, how you want to contact them, whether you want to call them on the phone and speak to a live agent. That's why I went ahead on and in my previous video, I made sure that I entered in there what to press so that you can get to a live agent, because I know how it is to get the runaround. They got thousands and thousands of people who are calling them trying to get a live agent. So it's going to be a little runaround. Like, if you don't have to call us, use the email. If you don't have to, but I went ahead on and found out what, numbers that you need to press to get to a live agent. If you prefer to email them, I have that information on there as well in one of my last posts. If you want to call them, I have that information on there as well. And if some people would call it old school, if you want to mail them, I got the physical address for you too. So the information is all here, and whoever it helps, praise God, right? And whoever it don't help, praise God too, because God will be praised. That's what I'll say. But I thank y'all who have been, supportive to my videos. And I honestly hope that it helped people, because there's been times where I needed resources, right? And I had to go out and I had to find my own resources. But I have prayed to God and I asked him, Lord, make me a resource. So if God makes me a resource and he has led me to share with other people, that's exactly what I'm going to do. So I hope that it helped a lot of people. Like I said, if y'all have any questions, definitely, comment, or, there's been people who have inboxed me as well. But I truly hope that gathering this information has helped y'all in many ways. And those who have already got their checks, I'm sure it has been an unexpected blessing to you. So there it is. God bless y'all. Happy Sabbath and have an amazing day.